Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make Chinese sizzlers. First we're gonna start with noodles. Take a pan and add some oil in it. Add ginger, garlic and chili. Add some carrot. Onion and cabbage. After that, add some capsicum in it and give a quick mix. Add some salt. Now add soya sauce, chili sauce, and some vinegar. Add some ketchup. And now give a quick mix to it. Then add boiled noodles. Then now your noodles are ready to serve. Now second one is fried rice. Take oil in pan, add ginger, garlic and chili. Then add some cabbage. And give a quick mix to it. Add some capsicum, carrot and beans. Now add ketchup, chili sauce and soya sauce. Now add chili powder. Add some black pepper. And give a quick mix to it. Now add boiled rice in it. And mixed it properly. Now your fried rice are ready. Oh sorry, don't forget to add some vinegar. Next one is paneer chili. Take oil in pan. Add some garlic, ginger and chili. Add some carrot, onion and cabbage. Then add some capsicum in it. Add some salt, red chili powder. Then add soya sauce. Chili sauce. And some ketchup in it. Then give a quick mix. Now add some fried paneer and mix it properly. Now add some vinegar in it. Then your paneer chili is ready. Next one is Sizzler sauce. Take oil in pan. Add some ginger, garlic and chili. Add mixture of sauces. Then add water of corn flour and bring it to boil. Let it boil properly. Then your Sizzler sauce is ready. Now Sizzler plating. Keep the on heating. Plate some cabbage leaf on it. Add rice on the side. Then add paneer chili on another side. Now add noodles in the middle of both. Then your plating is done. Take that plate and put it on the wooden plate. Now on the hotted plate, add Sizzler sauce in it. Then your Sizzler is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching.